Welcome to this presentation on smart agriculture, IoT-based smart application for agriculture. This research was conducted by Khushi Bhansali et al. And published in 2024. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Our work addresses a critical theoretical gap in traditional agricultural practices, which are often characterized by limited data access, inefficient resource management, and a heavy reliance on manual labor, leading to significant environmental impact. These challenges inherently hinder productivity and sustainability. Our central hypothesis is that integrating Internet of Things technology can fundamentally transform farming by providing real time environmental insights, optimizing resource allocation, and significantly enhancing overall efficiency, productivity, and sustainability. We operate under the baseline assumption that precise data driven decision making, facilitated by accurate sensor data and interconnected systems, will consistently outperform conventional intuition based agricultural methods, thereby fostering a more resilient and equitable food system. Our methodology employs a comprehensive, systematic approach to smart agriculture. At its core, we utilize a mathematical framework centered on logistic regression for crop recommendation, which we train to predict optimal crop classes. This model learns parameters by minimizing the error between predicted and actual labels, effectively fitting a sigmoid function to input features. The system architecture integrates diverse components, environmental sensors such as light-dependent resistors, soil nutrient level sensors, temperature and humidity sensors, soil moisture sensors, pH sensors, and water level sensors. These are interfaced with an ESP32 microcontroller, which leverages a Wi-Fi module for seamless data transmission. Data is collected from multiple sources: real-time sensor readings, weather forecast application programming interfaces, and satellite imagery providing crucial geographic data. This raw data is transmitted every 30 seconds via HTTP post requests from the microcontroller to a server, where a PHP script processes and stores it in a MySQL database for subsequent visualization and analysis. Our hardware selection prioritizes robustness and energy efficiency, including the DHT11 for environmental parameters and the ESP32 for processing. A user-friendly interface, developed through iterative prototyping and user feedback, ensures intuitive interaction for farmers, enabling remote monitoring and control of actuators like motor drivers. Our primary quantitative result demonstrates the efficacy of our crop recommendation model. The logistic regression algorithm achieved an accuracy of approximately 94.5% on the test dataset, establishing it as a reliable tool for precise crop recommendations within smart agriculture applications. Beyond this statistical significance, the project successfully integrated a high-density data summary from various sources. We achieved seamless data sharing and analysis through an advanced system of sensor nodes, communication modules, and actuators. Specifically, water management tools, including the water level sensor and ESP32 microcontroller, were effectively deployed, alongside a suite of soil sensors for nutrients, temperature, humidity, moisture, and pH1. A crucial aspect of our success lies in the integration of satellite imagery, which provides a comprehensive overview of farm landscapes. This allows farmers to identify critical issues such as crop stress, waterlogging, and pest infestations, and to monitor vegetation health. The fusion of real time sensor insights with this geographic data empowers farmers to make highly informed decisions, optimize resource utilization, and significantly increase overall farm output. The user friendly interface and remote control capabilities further enhance these benefits, providing immediate access to vital information and enabling proactive management strategies. Our findings carry significant theoretical implications, challenging existing models of agricultural management by demonstrating a fully integrated Internet of Things solution that combines diverse sensor data, satellite imagery, and predictive analytics. We move beyond siloed applications to offer a holistic, data driven farm management system. This challenges the traditional reactive farming paradigm, replacing it with a proactive, precision agriculture approach. The successful fusion of real time environmental data with broader geographic insights from satellite imagery underscores the critical importance of multimodal data integration for truly comprehensive agricultural intelligence. Furthermore, our emphasis on a user centric interface design highlights that technological sophistication must be coupled with intuitive usability to drive widespread adoption and impact in the agricultural sector. Looking towards the future research frontier, our work paves the way for several exciting directions. We aim to investigate adaptive algorithms for dynamic optimization of remote automation parameters, allowing the system to intelligently adjust data transmission rates and communication protocols in response to changing environmental conditions. We also plan to integrate edge computing approaches to process data closer to the source, thereby significantly reducing latency and improving system responsiveness. Finally, we see immense potential in exploring blockchain technology to ensure secure data transactions and enhance traceability within remote automation systems, addressing critical concerns around data integrity and trust. In conclusion, this Internet of Things based smart agriculture project represents a substantial advancement in modern farming practices. Our core contribution lies in developing and validating an integrated system that empowers farmers with remote monitoring and management capabilities, leveraging a sophisticated array of hardware, software, and data analytics. We have demonstrated how real time environmental insights, coupled with a user friendly interface and robust security measures, can optimize resource utilization, enhance crop productivity, and foster greater sustainability in agriculture. This system provides a clear pathway from traditional, labor intensive methods to efficient, data driven precision farming. Moving forward, our high level future research will focus on three key areas. First, we will investigate adaptive algorithms to dynamically optimize system parameters, allowing for intelligent adjustments to data transmission rates and communication protocols based on environmental changes. Second, we plan to integrate edge computing solutions to bring data processing closer to the source, thereby reducing latency and improving the overall responsiveness of the system. Finally, we aim to explore the application of blockchain technology to enhance the security of data transactions and ensure robust traceability within our remote agricultural automation systems.